Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install our Tesla look Android for 2018 Dodge Ram. It's Longhorn. Basically it's top of the line one. Comes with the Alpine sound system and it came with 8-inch screen that we replaced it to our OEM fit Tesla look unit. As you can see right now, I'm doing the Apple CarPlay, the USB dongle for Apple CarPlay on the same screen too. So the way that it works, I can use my iPhone and I can use my touchscreen. To use my iPhone, I can go to Google Maps, I can use Siri, or I can go to Waze. $28.99 Steeles Avenue West.
Okay, navigating to 2899 Steeles Avenue West, North York.
So as you can see,
Highway 407 ETR West Vaughan.
I can use the voice command to give any address to the unit, and also I can play Spotify, audiobook is there. I can check my messages. That's the Apple map, but you can use Google Maps or Waze as well. I can check my phone contacts and I can dial from the same screen.
Who do you want to call?
Or I can use the dial pad on the screen, which is really handy. I can go to my contacts, I can go to my recent phone calls, or I can go back to the OEM screen that we did it for Tesla look. And this unit is fully compatible with the options for the climate control. As you can see, heated steering wheel is there, cooling seat is there, heated seat is there, and they all can be controlled from the touch screen. As you can see, I just turn on the heated steering wheel, it goes on. It's on the unit too. Or I can go to cooling system is on, and here is on too. So I can control it from the same screen. All the steering wheel buttons, they work, even the Bluetooth. So by clicking on picking up the phone, you can pick up the phone. Right now it goes to the Bluetooth, as you can see. And also navigation is installed. That's the offline maps, which using the touch screen. And you can play even video through the screen.
Alright, let's get to work.
Hey, Rowan, you freaking out?
Alright, let's get to work.
Hey, Rowan, you freaking out?
No. Yes, you are.
Can somebody just walk me through what we're supposed to be doing?
Just when you didn't think you could.
I'm using the steering wheel right now. I'm going to reverse. It shifts to backup camera. Car came with factory sensors too. So you can see factory sensors, they're activated and they show on the screen too. Dynamic lines are there too. So no matter what phone you have, you still can use this unit, even though it's Android unit. I'm using my iPhone 8. As I told you, I installed the app, which is AutoKit here. By clicking on that, it goes to Apple CarPlay. If you're interested to get these type of units, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day. Right now we are showing you the mirroring option with our
We tested this
USB
7.1
dongle.
Android,
Basically
and
whatever
you
is
see
on
it
my
restricted. The
phone,
reason being,
which is
there's a lot
iPhone
of
8,
issues with
I'm
that.
mirroring it to the
And,
same screen.
The firmware, the 7.1 firmware is not stable and it's glitchy. So there's a lot of bugs that we encountered with that. So we decided to skip it all together and give you guys the latest 8.1. For the prospective buyers that are looking for this type of unit.
Now we connect the Android phone and we are doing Android Auto. We are not playing the song because of copyright, so just showing you the Android Auto works perfectly fine too.